Yeah, so my phone screen broke because it fell out of my pocket whilst I was getting out of a van. I'm guessing it probably hit a protruding rock or something because it went through the screen protector, through the screen and made green lines, and the screen was gradually going black. I was either going to get it repaired at Apple or go to a repair shop, but then I was like, how hard can it be? Started researching how to do it and realised Apple doesn't recognise the phone has a genuine Apple screen even if you replace it with a genuine one. And also, if I was to do it myself, auto brightness and true tone would stop working. But I don't use them anyway, so I decided screw it and ordered the parts. I also went on iFixit to get the tools that I would need. All of the stuff arrived and it said, "You've got this" on the box. Well, we'll see, won't we? So the first step was getting the old screen off, and this took so long. But finally, with much persistence, it came off. I then had to remove screws, plates and unplug connectors, which was the easy part. To put the new screen on, I literally just did the reverse. I checked the screen worked because what wouldn't have been fun is if I hadn't have checked, sealed the phone back up and it didn't. The old adhesive had to be removed and I knew this would take forever, so I literally stopped recording. After this, I went to apply the new adhesive and then realised I'd attached the screen too early as the adhesive needs to go under the connectors. But then I made my biggest mistake. When I removed all the tiny screws again, I put them loosely on my desk and must have pushed them off onto my carpet with my arm. So yeah, I was missing 4. I found 2 relatively quickly, but couldn't find the other 2. So yeah, I spent ages literally with my face up to my carpet trying to find 2 tiny screws. Doesn't need to be said that that is like finding a needle in a haystack, or like selling a TV on eBay. And then after ages of searching, I found the 3rd and later found the last one. Honestly, such a relief. So then I tested the phone one last time and made sure the front camera was clean of any dust or fingerprints and closed the phone. And there you have it. And yeah, if you've got a screen that needs fixing, chances are you can do it yourself and learn something while saving money at the same time. But yeah, I really hope I don't have to do this ever again, but you never know. Thank God for that.